where it comes from like raw wood to color. So there's two types of stain that we use in here. There's two different applications for the stain. There's what we call a spray stain, which is this right here. Actually, he's doing spray stain as well, where they don't ever touch it with their hand at all. It's kind of like homes on homes. We see them doing the house paintings. You just spray it on. That's it. When you get to a more expensive casket, like that one up there on the top left, or these over here, they get what's called a filler stain, where they goop it on there nice and thick, and then they take cheesecloth, stuff here, and they have to rub it all in. Very, very time consuming, and that's when you get the real pop from the grain of the wood. You can see on that, that's a number 33 Carlton right there. See how you can see the grain of wood through it? Yeah. But the other one beside that burgundy one, you can't really see as much. It's because that's a spray stain and that's a filler stain. Okay? We're going to go down here. Wax there just to dry for a couple hours. Then it's going to get a coat of what we call sealer. That locks in the color. Okay. Then when that sealer dries in the back corner, past that block wall down there, we're going to sand the sealer. Then it's going to come to the end of this loop. We're going to put it with a build coat. Really, really thick lacquer. Clear lacquer. Did you name them yet? Or is it a her?
I don't know.
Do you have a name for your sail crack? Not yet? No? Okay.
This over here is the cooling station.
Okay.
You girls want to go through here, you can feel it. I bet that casket's warm.
Okay.
See here.
No, caskets are warm. Do you want to feel it? Watch out for the corners.
They're already cooled down.
Okay.
But why are they warm?
Because these are both ovens.
Oh.
So right now, we just had the build coat put on it, and then it comes through this oven to dry and to cure.
Okay.
It takes about 42 minutes to go from one end to the other. When it comes out here, it goes all the way across. It goes down to our cutting area where it gets a real fine sand. Then it gets the top gloss coat, and then it comes through this oven here.
Okay. Wow.
Casket, putting the material in the head panel. The lid comes right off of the casket after this. We'll trim it out, we'll lay it down on the padded pads. It'll stick to it at the top.
Okay.
Nice.
So this is where we kind of got to jump back a couple minutes before we come back to this area. And we're putting the tips on them, and these are called arms, and this is what swings up
Okay.
to hold the casket. So every model, well, not every model, but there's probably, how many different jigs do you have? I have 3 for the long bars. Yeah. And hard tabs, 2 jigs up there. There's like 6 arms on a handle. Other times there's only 4. Sometimes there's 5. Sometimes there's a metal handle. We don't use any wood on. We just buy them in.
Okay.
Okay.
And there's pros and cons to each, I find.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what
Everybody's always shocked when they hear
gonna look
that
at what you're
viral
doing.
handle is the strongest one we make.
Yeah. Putting on the hardware. Nice. Oh, cool.
A little bit of padding here. Well, when the bed goes into the casket, there's 2 types of beds. There's what we call a straw bed, or Excelsior, which is shredded poplar. And that's what your lower end caskets, cremation caskets all have in them. About 80% of our products have the adjustable bed. So you can raise and lower the foot end or the head end depending on how big the decedent is.
Great. That's cool.
Bomb caskets are all made with the cheapest materials we can possibly find.